Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a degree symbol in Microsoft Word by creating a shortcut. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. Go ahead and do in the search bar and type Word to bring up and open the Microsoft Word. Click on it under the best match. So click on the blank document, or if you already have your document, simply click on that. At the top, you'll find this ribbon with all these tabs. Now click on the third tab, which is the Insert tab. And here you will find Symbol. Click on this drop down arrow and click on More Symbols. Font, that should be normal text. Subset, click on this drop down arrow and we need to choose Latin 1 supplement. And here you will find the degree sign. Now you can simply insert this, but you are going to insert that again and again. So why not create a shortcut? So once you click on the degree sign, you will find this autocorrect. Click on that. And then we're going to create a shortcut with this. So let's say, for example, I'm going to put backslash. So you need to use something which is not used or commonly used or something that has not been used. So I would just type backslash and then degree and click on add. So you need to remember that. You need to back up or you can simply take note of that. So I created a shortcut which is backslash degree. And I'm going to click on OK. Now let me close this. And if I'm going to, so let me just increase the font size just to clearly show you. If I type backslash degree and hit enter, it will now turn into a degree symbol. So I will no longer click on insert and then click on symbol and then click on the insert button to insert a degree sign. I'm just going to use the shortcut that I've created. It's backslash degree. You can also do the same, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.